Want to learn how to sell a bike? This clip might just be the best sales course ever.
Yeah, bitch.
Just kidding. The guy in this video is seriously sketchy.
Yes, can I help you?
Hey, dude. I'm gonna be real. Dude, I'm trying to sell a bike for some cash so I can buy some money. And that's all. The bike's right here.
It's all good.
For real, bro? Alright. He's right. At least I did it.
His gestures are really bizarre. He makes strange noises, even mimics gunshots. Do you think he was actually trying to sell that bike? Or was it just an excuse he came up with the moment he heard the homeowner's voice? This incident took place in Florida on September 10th, 2018. A homeowner was alone with her 2 children when her video doorbell captured a terrifying scene. Unfortunately, it didn't look like a delivery driver dropping off a late package. The homeowner recognized the man, her neighbor, Kevin Flaherty, but had no idea why he was wearing a bulletproof vest and holding a machine gun. She quickly grabbed her kids and locked herself in the bathroom until police arrived and arrested the man. Two men in hoodies step onto the porch of a house right in the middle of the day, trying to pull off a break-in. But honestly, they look like beginners at this well-respected profession they're trying to practice. They assumed the house was empty, but the sound of the homeowner screaming sent them running. In the end, maybe with repetition, they'd learn how to break in. But let's be real, the police will catch them long before that ever happens. Time to turn the volume up a little, because not all chills come from what you see. In this video, there's nothing particularly disturbing on screen, but in the middle of the night, the doorbell camera records these sounds. I have watched the footage closely, but nothing visible shows up, not even a shadow. So who's behind these eerie noises? If you notice anything strange in this clip, drop a comment and let us know. In this video, we see a man who looks like he's under the influence, completely unsteady, almost like he's logged into another server. He tries to rip the video doorbell off the wall, then jumps over the fence. Really strange behavior. In this video posted on Facebook, inside a Ring Doorbell users group, Tonya Boykin asks for opinions about what happened at her door. Her Ring app sent her a notification. Motion detected. But when she checked the recordings, all she could hear were voices, with nothing visible on screen. This time, let's have a laugh. A homeowner's daughter is messing around, having fun with the video doorbell camera. Her dad grabbed the footage and posted it on TikTok.
What is up, my mammals? I am a little sick because my brother gave me his disease. So, anyway... How was your day been? How's your day been? I hope it's been good. How's it been, guys?
I couldn't stop laughing myself. In this next video, a masked man walks up to the door, leaves bait for the homeowner, rings the bell, and runs off. The unsuspecting owner steps outside and picks up the package. Moments later, screams are heard from inside the house. The whole thing is absolutely shocking. almost feels like you're watching a movie scene. Do you agree? Well, that's exactly what it is. Fortunately, or unfortunately, depending on how you look at it, these scenes were staged by Ryan Godoy. Still, I found it to be a really impressive cinematic piece, one that I honestly thought was real at first. We've reached the end of today's compilation, but don't be depressed. If you hit subscribe and turn on the bell, you'll be notified whenever we post. We drop new compilations every single week. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. They really mean a lot to us. What would you like to see in the next episode? Until next time, stay safe.